Hello, good day. My name is Aaron John, also known as Skater John, and today I'm going to show you how to soul slide. Soul slide is an advanced braking method. It is often utilized when you can see an object coming and you want to stay balanced, yet still know where you're going. Woo! Let's go. Secondly, it is a move that I'd say the more professional skaters would want to skate. So it requires one leg to be stable. This is the leg that you'll be standing on. And then another leg to stand out in front of you at an angle to be able to create friction and traction on the surface of the ground in front of you, causing you to come to a stop. So let's say my right leg is the leg that I'm going to keep on the ground, that I'm going to be balancing on. So let's say I'm skating, I'm going, and I'm preparing the soul slide. I'm going to put all the weight, first off, on one leg, and then I'm going to send this next leg, like I said, my left leg in this case, at an angle, okay? And this obviously will cause severe friction and traction to occur, bringing you to a stop, okay? So I'd say first off, it would be 100% of the weight as you bring that leg around. I tend to lift it off the ground, but sometimes I also tend to transition from both feet being on the ground and skates being on the ground to going straight into that slide. Woo! So after it is engaged, I'd say maybe 30% of the weight would be on this leg, maybe even 40. Naturally, that will increase the more you come to a stop. Or if you want to stop quicker, you can put more weight on it. So I'd say there's two variations. One would be a fast stop, and the other one would be a slow, gradual stop, okay? Now, naturally, everything when it comes to skating is balance and weight distribution. So naturally, as you just saw, when I brought this leg out, I also brought my hands to balance me out as well. So as I brought this leg forward, I also brought my hand around to counterbalance. I found that works best for me. So if you are starting to learn the more advanced stopping methods, such as the parallel slide, the magic slide, and even the soul slide, you will realize that you really need to have core strength, upper abdominal strength, and then also being able to utilize that to be able to stop suddenly. 3, 2, 1. I just learned successfully the soul slide not too long ago, so I have a favorite slide. A favorite side, and that is my left leg being the sliding leg. And I don't know why, but it's just a whole lot more balance for me. The next way would be long slide. So it's more like a show off, but you're not putting as much weight on that front braking leg, okay? I'm just gonna show you that real quick. You can just keep it, and then you can really control how you brake from there. The more weight you put on that leg, and the sharper the angle is, the quicker you can come to a stop, okay? So I'll just demonstrate it again right here. Woo! Awesome. So I would very much like to thank you all for staying to the end of the video and being willing enough to learn how to do the soul slide. You can also check out Darren McKinney. He's the mastermind behind the camera. You can also check me out on Instagram, AaronJohn242, or TikTok, AaronJohn1680, or even on Facebook, Aaron John. Okay, and we can definitely learn more. And I'd say, skate on. Skate on.